got some?
Yeah, a bunch of them.
Pike, bass.
Pike?
Yeah.
Bass.
Pike?
Pike, bass. We got some big ones.
Really?
Yeah.
Where are they?
We got some largemouth, some pike.
You release them?
Yeah.
Come on.
You eat them?
Yeah, do fry. Oh, we need them? Yeah. You got it?
No, we threw them back.
Oh.
Well, we know now.
Okay. Okay, guys. How big? That big?
Yeah.
Wow.
The pike. The pike.
The bass, big. Too.
Bag.
I don't hear it.
No.
And the gravel pit. There's a gravel pit upstream.
Oh, okay.
It's like a pond.
Adios.
Adios, amigo.
So much fucking shit.
So much shit.
Come on.
Alright, I want to get in the boat. I want to get in the boat. Why are you holding it right there? Come on. Come on.
Caleb wants in the boat so bad he's like, I might get bit by a shark.
No, I don't want to touch Joey's piss.
He's like, I want to get back in the boat. I want to have Joey's piss on my leg. Is my phone back there still? Oh shit, they're coming for us for coming fishing.
Yeah, I know they are. We ain't done yet. Get out of the boat.
No, we're not done yet.
Everyone needs to get
No, we need an oar over there, then get out of the boat, dude. What are you talking about? Yeah. Push that way.
Oh. Keep going.
Yeah, keep going, Caleb. I gotta get this shot, though. Careful with your feet, Caleb.
Do I get in the boat?
Oh! Almost slipped there.
It's that thing when you're already wet, you stop giving a fuck.
Yeah. You know, you should already be on that right now, by now.
Dude, I am, but like,
You ain't never been in the river like this, have you, Caleb?
I don't want to step on a snap turtle.
Have you ever been on the river like this?
Snapping turtle, the worst thing
I'm
that comes with toe.
Have you ever been in the trenches like this, Caleb? You haven't, have you?
No.
No.
Honestly, you're doing all right.
Yeah, you're doing pretty good, dude. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm actually really impressed.
I've had friends come out here and be fine.
Yeah, me and Joey used to bring our friends on the river and they'd be like, dude, I want to go home.
Dude, I told you, I don't complain.
No, you just insinuate things.
Diddy just got wet.
Dude, that is honestly a mess. Someone needs to do some shit about that. We actually have time to fish still a little bit.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's actually crazy. Come on, guys. Quick, fast, and hard, just like Diddy. Let's go. There's a lot of sludge here.
Oh my gosh, my back fucking hurts.
Yeah, this is the type of shit that it just gives you a hernia.
Oh man.
That's a lot of sludge.
Come on, Playboy.
You said go right, dude. Look at this sludge here over
Your
here.
time's up. Keep stepping, Playboy.
Ooh, straight through the sludge. Look at that camp over there. Get that camp
Alright,
over
dude,
there.
come on, dude. You gotta keep going.
We are going. I've been going. There's a
Don't
fish.
look how fucking brand new you can.
Yeah, I gotta go on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Start fast. Let's all go. Just hit it.
Come on, Playboy.
Oh my gosh, dude. Just keep going.
Oh, fuck. I was knee deep in the.
I'm knee deep.
Come on, dude. Grab this shit.
It's like Diddy, knee deep in shit. Oh, fuck.
That's what I'm saying. It's better to do this at nighttime. We're fucked.
Dude, this is
all
bad.
shit?
Yeah.
Dude, it's horse manure. Come
Yeah,
on.
it pretty much is horse manure, dude.
That's worse than that.
Yeah, this is like Caleb, this is goose shit.
All right, well, 1, 2, 3.
It is the worst part.
All right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ugh.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. All right. The suds.
It's alright, dude.
We're getting distracted. 2, 3.
Hold on, don't forget my suds.
Shut up.
Oh my gosh. My fucking suds,
Shut
dude.
up, dude. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Alright, we're past the fucking shitty part.
That is the worst part.
Oh, crap. Poison ivy all on my fucking legs. Just to come out to the Catch 3 pike. Let's go.
See, you gotta let the fish adjust. They have to see the bait. They have to track it. They have to understand it. That's when they strike. So usually the 5th cast is right around the time they strike. Seventh cast, I've got great confidence that the fish is going to swallow the hook and I'm going to land this giant monster, this monstrosity of a fish. There must be a feud within the fish family. Like, they must be cut. They're somewhere arguing, they're hashing it out. Okay, they're in here. We're about to get one. I want the daddy. I want the mama. Or I want the close relative that's just as large. We're gonna have to get deeper in there. There's a bottle. That's not an old one though. That's a new one. We don't want that. Whoa, you hear that? What was that? You hear that? I don't know what that was. Right? Watch out, Caleb. Sunglasses. Just a sign from God I need to put them on. What is that, Caleb? Caleb, what is that? Look at that's a plow. Is that a plow or something?
Oh, no.
Dude, what is that? It's massive. That's a solid piece of like steel or
I think
something.
it's part of a spaceship.
Dude, I'm not even joking. Like, what is it? You're gonna help me lift this in a second, okay? You gotta be really careful when you're not wearing shoes. I've been doing this my whole life. So I've got that gentle step.
All right.
Look at this. It's an old hubcap. It's like a Buick or something. Look at that. It's seen its day. That was once a beautiful piece. Look at the spokes in that. Sad to see it go back to its watery grave. Cut. So, just a little rock bass. He's the one that decided to strike first. Didn't take long after putting this spinner on. This minnow with a spoon on it. That's a cute little guy. That's the thing about these little ones. They're just so beautiful. But we're not after him. Oh! We're after his dad. His grandpa. His fat aunt. Now we're going back into another time period. As you can see, this is where the Native Americans used to canoe down the river, trying to hunt down the same fish that we're currently here trying to hunt down right now. The only difference is, I've got modern technology. A MEPS number 5. They didn't have that. These fish like to hang around on the outer edges right down yonder. Whoa, boy. Something big should be swimming around back in there. I don't know. See anything?
Nothing.
There should be something big there, dude. Keep an eye out. Right there. Something big should have been right there, am I right? Hey, where the hell are these fish at? Did they move or something? No, it is kind of old. Look at the tab on that. That's like a vintage Red Bull can. What year is that from? That's from like a Red Bull can from like the 90s? That's actually interesting. It's actually really interesting. You can tell by the tab on it, it was pretty old. Welcome to the gravel pit, where the monsters sleep. That's a little pike. Get him in there! Get him, Caleb! Land him, Caleb! Dude, I told you. Did I not call it though? Who called it? Caleb. Did I not just call this time span?
Shut the fuck up. Now give me my pliers.
I literally just called this that we were gonna catch. They're eating right now. This is the good.
Alright, throw him over here. Oh, he swallowed it. Got a little excited there.
That's a thin one. That's smaller than the one I caught.
Yeah, it was.
Caleb said, yeah, it was.
Dude, I have a mole. What's on the freaking...
That's probably from a sea lamprey.
Oh, fuck. Mean son of a bitch. The young...
It is a little bit. Hold on. Right there.
Revenge for their sins. There's no cleansing the evil they've done. Late-term abortions, they're killing our babies for fun.
Camera too. There you go. There he is. I floated him right in there. There's the big. Is that what you're looking for?
Shut the fuck up. There's other pike here too.
That's what you're looking for, bud.
Alright, get the scale or something.
He's not a massive one.
He ain't scale worthy.
No, but he's good size though. He is good size, Joey. He is good size.
Dude, he's just a regular size pike.
That ain't bad.
That's pretty big.
That's pretty
Not
good.
bad.
No, that's pretty fat, dude.
He's a pike. Alright, the pike are biting. We need to get out of here.
Looking at that.
All right, I know what I need. Dude, what are you talking about? I need a freaking plier. The pliers. Yeah, you got the pliers?
No.
You don't have pliers?
No.
Here, get that. Get it good. Look at that guy. He's a pretty good pike. He ain't bad.
Here.
Yeah, come here.
Don't fucking lose these. Otherwise you're paying for these.
Ew, what is that?
He had a bite taken out of him. Another pike took a bite chunk out of him, Joey.
Dude, I get it, dude. Just talk silently.
That ain't a bad pike. That's a pretty good one. Nice, Caleb. He's gonna kick, so don't lose that GoPro.
Really?
Caleb,
like, I want to go back to New York. These guys are ass.
Caleb's like, I'm trying to learn how to fish.
I already know how to fish.
It's like taking my son fishing for the first time.
It's
behind you, dude, Caleb.
I'm so tired of fucking Caleb being in the center. Like,
Dude, yeah,
I might as well just like not even fish.
that's what they say. Yeah. And they're like, and I was like, oh, you haven't sold any Bud Light? He's like, yeah, they just keep giving it us. We don't know what to do with it. So,
No, they did not.
yes, they did.
He said they just keep shipping Bud Light.
Bud Light's like, here's some more. Sell it, guys.
Come on, dude.
Nice.
It's a good one.
Yeah, I know it is.
That's a good one, dude. That's a big boy. That's a big one.
The anger just fills my insides, taking our lives of the innocent, poisoning all of our bodies and cells in our minds.
Another little rock bass. Ooh. Just like a little one, but yeah, he couldn't resist. Just like his cousin from earlier. He just had to go for it. He's a little bit bigger, but not what we're looking for. Where are these big sons of guns at? Oh my God, it's a lone gun. Poor guy. Oh my God, they're gonna collide. They're trying to find each other. Look, two geese in love. Are you getting that, Caleb? Did you see they rounded each other up? Look at them. They met up halfway and they're going for a date now.
When people are hurting, they lower the bar, hitting them hard. Heartbreak and chaos is offered in place of your heart. We all just sit by as they tear us apart. Clintons, Obamas, and Gates are the sharks. Gates are the sharks.
Anything to get to the pit.
You
And-
guys asked for this shit.
Yeah, no, I like this shit.
I think it's funny they couldn't stop it. Because they can't stop it. Nobody's gonna fish this season, dude.